Hi, this is Jeet from Pivo, and today I'm going to be showing you our Pivo Smart Video Light. The Smart Video Light is compact and portable, only weighs 1.3 ounces or 40 grams, so it's super easy to pop in your bag and go. Plus, it comes with a diffuser that you can pop on for softening the light. It's a universal mount with a 1/4 inch UN thread that allows you to mount onto your Pivo Smart Mount or any other compatible equipment. The Smart Video Light comes with a charging cable, diffuser, cold shoe mount, and pouch. You can use the Smart Video Light as a standalone light or with the Pivo Plus app. When you use it on its own, you have 3 different brightness settings you can choose from and 2 different color temperatures. The brightness ranges from 14 to 206 lux, and the color temperature ranges from 3500K to 6000K. And you can control all these light settings from a distance with the app itself, but you can also manually control the brightness intensity and light temperature in the light settings within the app. The app gives you a whole range of brightness and different color temperatures to work with. Now, let me show you how it works. To use the light as a standalone light source, simply hold the power button down for 2 seconds to turn it on. You can switch between 3 different levels of brightness by doing a short press on the same button. And you can double click to change the color temperature up to the max brightness as well. You can easily attach it to your Pivo Smart Mount like this, so it's right above your phone when you film. To connect to the Pivo Plus app, open the app, enable Bluetooth connection, and then press the plus button to add the device. Once you're connected, you can press the light button on the right and adjust the brightness and color temperature of the light manually from there. Now, you're ready to start filming. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.